Okay, so let me take you through the process of extracting your maps, retopologizing your model, and reducing it, okay? So why do we reduce the geometry? Just to have fewer polygons overall, okay? And here's what you will do first. With your, you have your, have a simple sphere here, something that I just quickly used a few brushes on it just to show you. What I'm going to start with is the first step will be reducing the mesh. Okay, so go mesh, reduce mesh, and take it as low as you can, and be aware that you're going to see an increase on triangles, but we're going to fix that as we retopologize. Okay, so just go create reduce mesh, and you're going to see a little bar over here that says that you're reducing the geometry, right? And when you go to your object list over here, you're going to see your original sphere that is now hidden, right? So I'm going to move it, and I'm using the move tool here, select move tool, translate, so that you see this is the original, and you get your reduced sphere, okay? If we look closer on both geometry, you're going to notice that one has a nice, polygon surface, while the other one has triangles all over, so or engons, and we don't want that. So what we're going to do next is correct that with retopologizing your model. Okay, so we'll go mesh, retopologize, new operation, make sure you have your reduced version. Okay, and keep it here within 3 to 5,000. That will be a good place to be. So then go retopologize. When you do that, you're going to see a progress bar here that is going to tell you from 0 to 100. So make sure you save your file before doing this retopologize step, because in case it crashes or it gets corrupted, which has happened, you can always have that last version. So we'll be back once the retopologizing process ends. Okay, so we're back, and now we have a third geometry over here created that you're going to see that is labeled as retopologizes, right? Retopo 1. So that is your geometry that has been retopologized, and if we look closer on it, you're going to notice that it has that nice evenly distributed set of polygons instead of triangles as the other one had before. So that is reducing your geometry and retopologizing. Now how about transferring your maps? Okay, so the next step that you're going to take is UV and maps, extract, new operation. Okay, and you can do them, I suggest that you do them one by one. So let's say that you want to extract your normal map first. What you're going to do is you're going to go from the low resolution and here to the high resolution mesh. Okay, so notice that it helps you see how everything, the workflow from the low res to high res, and then that's what you're going to get for the normal map. So I would say add them all, and in your low resolution mesh, just get your initial sphere. Let's go remove this one, remove that one. Okay, so that way you have your original, the one that we first started with, and then you can go here, add all, and go remove. I'm going to remove the original, and I'm going to remove the second one that we reduced to, and I'm going to keep only the one that we retopologize. Okay, and I'm going to leave everything else as it is, except if you're using Maya or 3D Max, you might want to switch this to the software that you might transfer that later on, because the idea is to create a map that you can put into a geometry into 3D Max or Maya, especially using the send to command. As you send your geometry from Mudbox to Maya or Mudbox to 3D Max, then you can just put the texture directly from Mudbox there. Okay, so over there you have to then now on the base file base name, in the output options section, you may want to then tell it what you want to do. So over there you can do, let's say, normal map, and hit save, and then you hit on extract, and when you do that you're gonna get another window, and as it extracts the map, it's going to show that here in the bottom, and it will give you a completion over here. Okay, so if everything went well, that will be it. So let me open the folder so that you see where the extracted map goes to. So we'll be right back. So there is my extracted map that we just got, and this is the normal map. I would suggest to do them all, the normal and the displacement especially, so that you get the surface like this. You know, you can use it also as a bump map even. Okay, so those extracted maps, I would like to see them. I would like to see your retopologize. You can leave it inside the same file like this and save everything as you finish doing it. If it's too heavy, then export it or save it and then open it again. I just want to see your polygon count, and I want to see your extracted maps. Okay, so